Hello, I'm Bonnie, and this video presentation is based on discussing different types of materials suitable for bicycle frames. Firstly, I will explain the material bamboo, followed by Lovepreet describing carbon fiber. Mayank will then explain aluminum, and Sydney will conclude with titanium. After that, Sydney will describe which is the best material suitable for bicycle frames. Bamboo is one of the materials suitable for bicycle frames. It is a natural composite material as it is a plant made of many layers. Since it is natural, it is eco-friendly and has a low density. This gives the bike the advantage of being lightweight. Also, as a composite with strong bonds, it has high compressive strength and high elastic modulus. This means that the bike is strong and rigid and can withstand any weight applied to it. Not only that, but high tensile strength of bamboo allows it to have great vibration control. This means that it absorbs vibration from the ground without transferring it to the rider, making the ride more comfortable. Another advantage is that since bamboo is a plant, it is readily available and easily replaced. However, the disadvantages of using bamboo as a bike frame is that it is sensitive to moisture and its manufacture process is difficult. When bamboo is exposed to moisture, the structure will change as it will swell up and expand. Thus, bamboo bike frames are not suitable for regions with heavy rainfall or high moisture environment. Another limitation is that the process of making bamboo bike frames is complicated since it requires human labor. In Ghana, jobs have been increased in bamboo bike production, but requiring human labor to produce such bikes is a disadvantage, as it takes time for these bikes to be made. Bamboo is available in countries outside Ghana. For instance, China and India are also producing bamboo bike frames.
Hello, I am Lovepreet and I will be explaining about using carbon fiber as a bicycle frame material. Carbon fiber is a mixture of many materials like PA and petroleum also bound together by carbon atoms. Therefore, since it's a material of different atoms, it is a composite. One of its properties is high tensile strength. This tensile strength decreases the chance to break under high tension. This makes the material suitable for bicycle frames. Its low thermal expansion also allows the material to withstand under high temperature. In addition, it has a low density which helps to reduce the bicycle weight. Another property is its resistance to corrosion, which increases its durability. Its high elastic modulus also makes the material very rigid. However, this rigidity causes the bicycle to have a low vibration control, which results in an uncomfortable ride. Moreover, bicycles made of carbon fiber frames are more expensive due to its manufacturing process. Its manufacturing process is very complex. It's also a slightly brittle material as its bonds are very strong. Thus, the material easily breaks. This makes this material hard to repair when broken and we have to replace it. It's also not eco-friendly as its carbon fiber is an unrecyclable material. From all these properties, it can be seen that using carbon fiber for a bicycle frame material makes it lightweight, strong, rigid material. But since it's a brittle, the frame can easily break. This material is available in first world countries such as USA, Japan, and from developing countries such as China and countries in Europe. Additionally, an interesting fact about carbon fiber is that it is very thin, even thinner than the human hair. However, even though it is so thin, it has a high tensile strength, making it so strong that it is a bulletproof.
Hi, I am Mayank and I will be explaining the material aluminium. Aluminium is a silver white, non-magnetic, and ductile metal in the third group. It has face-centered cubic structure that has 4 atoms per unit cell. It is a crystalline material. Each bicycle frame material offers a list of different characteristics that will affect the cost, comfort, weight, stiffness, strength, and durability. Aluminium is remarkable for its low density. Lightweight for a bicycle is important as it makes it easy to carry on steps while going up. It also helps in accelerating up on mountains compared to heavyweight bicycles. Though generally more expensive than steel frames, aluminum frames are still relatively inexpensive. Pure aluminum is quite brittle and prone to breaking. This has many dangerous consequences for the rider of an aluminum bike, so frame makers have responded by overbuilding aluminum bike with very large tubes and thick wells to lessen the chance of frame breakage. Aluminum frames possess the shortest fatigue life of any material used to manufacture bicycle frames, about 5 to 10 years. Aluminum bike frames are not prone to rust. This resistance to rust makes aluminum very low maintenance and ideal for mountain biking who regularly rides in wet conditions. However, if weakened by a crash or impact, it can crack and fail and can't be repaired as easily as steel. Aluminum is a good material and it is easily available around the world. First world countries such as Canada, Australia, United States, Norway are the main producers of aluminum. Developing countries such as India, China, Russia, and the United Arab Emirates are the main producers of aluminum.
Hello, I'm Sydney Silva and I'll be talking about using titanium as a bicycle frame material. Titanium is a metal with a hexagonal close-packed structure. This means titanium usually has 3 layers of ABA stacking sequence. It has 6 atoms per unit cell and its atomic packing factor is 74%. Thus, it's a metal with the most efficient structure. Its high tensile strength along with its slight ductility allows the energy stresses of regular use to be effectively dissipated without degradation of the material, ensuring titanium frames stay stronger for longer. Another advantage of owning a titanium bicycle is that it will not rust. This might look especially appealing to people who ride in snowy areas where the roads are fully salted in winters, which results in corrosion of metal. Apart from this, titanium has a low density, and bicycles are designed as lightweight rides in that form. They tend to be flexible and better for lighter riders. Although titanium frame is slightly heavier than a frame made of carbon fiber, it weighs less than an aluminum frame. Moreover, titanium is an environmentally friendly metal. All the scrap generated through the manufacturing process can be fully recycled. Cost is the main disadvantage of titanium. As titanium is not available in its pure form, it must be extracted from rutile ores. Rutile is a black or reddish-brown mineral consisting of titanium oxide. The process of extracting the metal is costly and energy-intensive, as titanium is not a metal which could be extracted in its pure form. It is also more labor intensive as it needs more care and more time to cut and weld titanium cycles in a safer manner. There is practically no way to build an inexpensive titanium bicycle because of these factors. Titanium being the ninth most abundant metal in the world and could be extracted from rutile deposits found in China, Russia, Japan, Kazakhstan, Ukraine, and India. In conclusion, from all the four materials mentioned, it is evident that titanium is the best material suitable for a bike frame. It exceeds all the other materials in terms of advantages, few disadvantages, and its availability. It is strong yet lightweight, rust and corrosion resistive, and it's the most durable, thus making its expensiveness worthwhile. Thank you.